Ito ang dapat mong gawin para hindi ka talunin ng procrastination. According to behavioral science, small completed tasks release dopamine. Ito ay isang chemical that is linked to motivation at reward. Pag may small win ka, it signals progress sa brain. And it builds a momentum and creates the desire to continue. Pag sobrang laki ng task, ang tingin ng brain mo doon stressful. Pero kapag maliit at mas doable, mas madali siyang simulan. And that's where your momentum begins. Start smaller than you think. Focus on one simple task that you can finish today. Progress doesn't come from big moves alone. It builds from consistent small wins. One small action leads to another hanggang tuloy-tuloy na. This is Dina saying, you don't have to do everything at once. Sometimes, one small step is enough to move you forward. For more guidance on habits, motivation, and mental clarity, click the link on my bio or visit tinasalonga.com.
Ask Dina.